First, check the page view event. Look, the page view event comes from server and browser and it has been deduplicated. Now check add to cart. Add to cart also fired from browser and it will be fired from server also. And you can track your visitor using Metapixel both server side and browser side without expensing money for buying server like Step or Google Cloud Server or any other server. You can use your own server as the tracking server. So check out the full video so that you can understand. Hi, once again this is Kaiser from Rank Ninja and today I will discuss about Facebook pixel that is known as Metapixel. So according to Facebook, Facebook Pixel is a piece of code for your website that lets you measure, optimize and build audience for your ad campaigns. So Pixel is a piece of code which will help you to track your website visitor or ads visitor. If you are running a e-commerce website, then assume that you may have 100 visitors in a day and not everybody may purchase your product. Some of them may only view a certain product or certain page. Some of them may add a product to the cart and some of them may begin checkout and finally some of them will purchase your product. So the person who view a product, a certain product, may be interested in your product but is not buying right now. In future, he might be your customer. And the person who added the product in their cart from your website, they are more interested about your product. So they are more potential. So it is important to measure who is viewing which product and who is purchasing, who is not purchasing to make a decision regarding your Facebook ad. It will minimize your Facebook ad costing by targeting the potential and specific customer, and also it will increase your ROI, that is return on investment. There are two types of Facebook pixel tracking. One is browser side, another is server side. Browser side tracking, you can track user behavior using the browser like Google Chrome. And the server side tracking is a tracking that you have to track the user behavior directly using a server. There are challenges both server-side and browser-side tracking. Let's discuss about browser-side tracking first. In browser-side tracking, since iOS 14 update, iOS is not giving access to visitor data to the third party, and day by day people are aware about cookies, so they are denying to accept the cookie. And gradually all the browser will adapt the policy by iOS. That means it will be impossible near future to track a user behavior through browser. And what about server-side tracking? Server-side tracking, the main challenge is it is costly. Look here, here is the most popular server provider, Step, and there are also Google Cloud Server and all other. It is not free. It is free for only 10,000 requests, and when there comes huge request, then it will um, take away $20 per month from your pocket. Just give you 500k request. So it is also a challenge, but I can help you with implementing both browser side and server side tracking, and you do not have to pay any single penny for server separately. You can use your own web server as for tracking server side uh, user. Okay, let's check. Here I have prepared this website and connected it with this pixel, and it will track both server side and browser side. First, let's check if it is work for a view product or view page event. Okay, look here, page view event has been fired and it is received from the browser side. But if the user denied the cookies, or if the user visited this page using iOS 14 or later version, then you will not be able to get this from browser. So you have to get it using server. Look here, the request has come from server and it is duplicated because this is the same request, and it is important to deduplicate the request. I will help you to deduplicate the request also. Otherwise, if a person purchase a product of $100 from your website, if the deduplication is not applied, then it will show that the person has bought the product two times. I mean, your ROI or return on investment will show $200. That is false. So it is important to deduplicate it. Okay, now check add to cart event. It takes 3 to 5 seconds to come the request in Facebook Pixel. Let's wait. Look here, it comes add to cart from server. It will come from browser side also. Okay, let's check view cart event. This is add to cart from both browser and server side. And view cart event also will be fired soon. Then proceed checkout. Look here, it is initiate checkout. It has been also fired. And finally, when the user fill up this form and uh, make payment and place order, it will fire the purchase event. In this way, you can track both server side and browser side of your user data without expensing any money for server. Okay, if you are new to my channel, just click the subscribe button, and if you need any help regarding Google Ads, Facebook Pixel setup, then you can hire me. You will find my contact details below in the video description. Thank you.